Good evening. How are you? Oh, really? I'm so sorry. I thought you come back late. I thought that kind of. I was also there, but I thought it's okay. Mhm. Oh my goodness. Really? Okay. How far from your residence to your that market? How far? Oh, 5 minutes. Okay. Then what are you taking right now? Wow. Do you like sweet? Nice joking. Nice joking. Right. Who told you I am sweet? I am short tempered. Mhm. How can you tell I am sweet? I am not sweet. You are sweet. Mhm. I. That's why. What did you purchase in market? Mhm. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Why you purchased in there? I was only told you that kind of. I told just that kind of. But you could not purchase your daily. Right, right. Then what kind of business are you doing? And you told me you are going there for your business. You went for business. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I got. Okay, you purchase from Dubai. After that, you sell in your country, Sri Lanka, right? Oh. Mm-hmm. Then, are you doing online business? Offline. Okay. Then how many days you have to stay there? Okay, 2, 3 months. Right. After that, your next plan? What is your next plan? Oh, really? Okay. But if you come to India, right, right. Then what will you do in Delhi? No, I think I'm so far from in Delhi to my state. So far. Is it not possible? It is not possible. It is not possible. No, no, I am not telling means because you come to Delhi, then it is so far from my place. Odisha is a small state. Mm-hmm. Pardon? Odisha, Odisha. My state name is Odisha. I know, I know. It is your means. It is not for your piece of cake, right? It is easy for you. Yeah. You come Odisha. Welcome to Odisha, and you visit. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, you come and you visit Odisha. No, because you only come and you visit, you see me. I don't take any kind of gift. I have everything. Uh, yeah, that is a means. Hmm, right, right, right. That is a Mahabhat. Right. Yeah, you are right. Then, did you finish your food? Okay, then after that, do you take your dinner or something, or it is a completely take also this kind of food? Mm-hmm. Kerala sub, okay, okay, in restaurant, hotel in Kerala. Okay, do you like Kerala food, right? Mhm. Okay, then what did you eat? Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Then, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, right. That is Indian food. That is a Indian food, uh, right? Chana masala and chapati, paratha is a famous. All people like that kind of food. We take it. Right, right, right. That is also tasty food. Yeah. Then, how many paratha did you take? Three only, just three paratha, and some guy only take. Oh, how much big? I know in Indian paratha. Right, you are right. Then you eat less. People they take it five, six paratha with chana. Yeah, but you take less, right? And how many sweets? Pardon? Okay, you brought from Sri Lanka sweet. Okay, then how many sweets do you take? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then you like sweet, right? Mm-hmm. You are a public influencer, right? You know how to influence people. What did you learn from me? Tell me. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You are copycat me, right? I am learning from you how to influence the people, right? Of course, definitely, definitely. I am learning from you at present. I am learning from you. If you come to Odisha, then you take exam from me. I will appear test, right? Yeah. Then what time do you go your bed? What time? What time do you go to your bed at night time? Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Then it is not a precise time to go to bed, right? Hmm. Right, right. Right, right. Then you forget to sleep, right? Right, right, right. Right. Morning time is a good time for you to sleep, right? No one disturbs you. Okay, you get up for 10 o'clock, right? Okay, after that you started your day, right?